Lesson 6, Spreadsheets, Sorting, Part 1. You are going to be learning about sorting using Google Sheets in several ways. You need to upload to your Google Drive the data spreadsheet that has been prepared for this lesson. You will then be asked to sort the data several different ways. This is only Part 1, and it might be best that you watch the video while you're doing this. Well, first of all, ways of sorting. You'll notice that we provided for you several different sorts, 3 to be exact. Those are the basic ones. And later on, we'll go to part 2 and show you different type of sorts. You'll notice we've specified for sort 1, select the whole data sheet. Click on Data, Sort by Range. Click Data has Header, or Header Row, then Sort by Last Name, A to Z, and click Sort. That's pretty straightforward. Check to make sure that it's all sorted by alpha, by last name. Then, to get back to your regular or normal reset, if you're in Windows, it's Control Z. If you're on a Mac, it's Control Z. Okay? Now, second sort again, whole data sheet, but this time, click on Data, Short Range. Click Data has Header Row, so you don't sort your header. Sort by state, A to Z. Click Sort. Check to make sure all states are sorted alpha by state. Okay? And then you can reset it by either Window Control Z or Mac Command Z. The third sort and final one for today is sort the whole data sheet again. So you're going to select the whole data sheet, click Data, Sort Range, click Data has Header Row, so again, you don't sort that header row, and click Data, Sort by State, and then just below it, you can click Add another sort by last name. So you click your sort to check to see if the names are alphabetical within the state sort. Hopefully that makes sense. So it's 2 sorts in one. Then again, reset. You'll notice at the bottom here, we have the original setting so you can see exactly what it should look like. Okay, let's go and see exactly how this all works. Up here at the top, make sure you place your name and lesson 6. Now, you'll notice that we have a row and it is headers. First name, last name, street, city, state, zip, gender, make this a little bit wider, and age. Now what we want to do is, your first sort is going to be by last name. So we want to highlight the whole sort. Then simply click on Data and Sort Range. And when you do that, it's important that you click here. Data has a header row, so you don't sort by that. And we're going to sort by last name, A to Z. And just simply hit on Sort. Bam, you're done. You'll notice we have B, C, E, G, all the way down to W. Now, if you recall, it's either Control Z or Command Z to reset it. Okay, so hopefully your sort worked just as well as ours did. Let's look at the next sort. Sort number 2. Again, we're going to highlight the whole spreadsheet. Okay? Now, we're going to click on Data and Sort Range, but this time we want to sort alpha by state. So, we're going to have a Data, because we don't want to sort that, but we want to sort the state, right? So we click on State, and we're simply going to click on Sort. And we should have sorted A, C, F, K, L, M, N, 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 O, N, T. Okay, so that is sorted correctly. Then hit your reset. Remember, it's Control Z or it's going to be Command Z to reset it back. Okay, now your last sort, and the reason we only have 3 of them is because I wish not to have you just simply spend a lot of time sorting on one and then forget. We'll come back and sort with part 2 a little bit later. Now on your third sort, it says place your cursor here, highlight, and remember we try to make things as simple as possible. highlight, and the last one we're going to click on Data, again, Sort Range, and in doing so we're going to click on Data has a header row. Okay, now the first sort we're going to have is going to be by state. So we click here and we're going to sort by state. However, you can now have a sort within a sort. And the next one is going to be by your names within the state. So we're going to sort by last name. Okay, so we have two sorts within. Simply hit sort. Let's see what happens. When we do that, we have A, C, F, and within the A's, two A's, we have CF, right? And within the CC, we have, it should be an O, a larger O. And then we have, what do we got for Kansas? We have an O and an R. Okay, hopefully that made sense. Then simply hit your Command Z to reset it. Now, as you can see, there's not really much we can do with this one. You just have to go with the fact, or I have to go with the fact that you've done it and you're working on it and you know how to sort. That's basically it. I don't think you need to print out your sort. Well, thank you for watching our video.
That's all, folks.